Hey, what's up everyone? It's your pal Wally. Guess what? That's right, it's pizza review time. Today I'm gonna try out Domino's pizza. Now, I've already tried out their cheese pizzas, but I've always been curious about their other pizza offerings, like what I'm gonna try out today, which is a bulgogi beef pizza. Let's see what it tastes like. There it is, the beef bulgogi pizza from Domino's. It's got the pretty nice dough. We got some chili peppers, beef, and of course I smell some of the spicy Korean sauce. And by the way, I had to wait like about 45 minutes for this pizza. Right now is Songkran holidays. It's a Thai New Year which they celebrate with water. So people will start spraying water on everybody with water guns, buckets of water. And you'll get wet whether you want to or not. It's basically one of the largest water fights that you'll ever see anywhere. So a lot of people are actually ordering their food online for delivery, so they don't want to come out. Another reason is because it's like super, super hot. I mean, it's really, really hot right now, so nobody wants to come out at all. So this is the pizza. You can look. I prefer coming to these restaurants rather than having it delivered to where I'm at because pizza doesn't really travel well. I mean, we all know that. So I rather get it fresh at the shop. So that's why I'm here. And I like coming to this particular Domino's branch because I can actually see into the kitchen as they make my pizza, from rolling out the dough to adding in the sauce, putting on the cheese, and sticking it into the oven. I don't know, just for me, it's just cool to watch, that's all. Let's give this pizza a try. Okay, so there's no tomato sauce in this, and I do taste, they call it the spicy Korean sauce. It tastes like a sort of a smoky barbecue flavor. That's what it tastes like. It's not spicy at all. It's 279 baht for a 9-inch pizza. Good price. I think the quality is not that bad at all. I taste the beef right there, you can see. Got some chili peppers. The dough is nice. Yeah, out of all the 3 big pizza chains in Thailand, Domino's still has the better pizza crust. The dough is quite nice, the cheese is good. I don't know if you saw my reviews of the 3 best chain pizza restaurants. For me, Domino's is still the best chain pizza. For me, that is. But again, I never really considered these pizzas to me. They're more like an open face sandwich. I still prefer the New York style pizzas, which they do have a lot in Bangkok and all over Thailand. So Domino's, like all the other big chain pizza restaurants, they're coming out with like, you know, new and creative flavors of pizza, but mainly designed for the Asian taste. So that's why you find stuff like mainly seafood. A lot of like ingredients that you wouldn't really find in other pizzas back in the States or even in Europe. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put up a poll on my community page and you guys can vote on what I can try next time from Domino's in Thailand. But would I order this again? Yeah, I think I would. But again, I'm not gonna call this a pizza. It's just a sandwich. And that's all it will ever be to me. I do wish that they add a little bit more beef to the pizza and maybe a little bit more taste to the sauce, I guess. Because for me, the Korean sauce is a little bit too light. But at least for the chili peppers, I kind of feel that heat coming on right now. It's hitting my tongue. But is it a well put together pizza? Yeah, I think so. It's not bad. But I would give this pizza a grade of 7.8. So if you're in Thailand and you want to try like a different spin on pizza, which is exactly what this is, it's a different spin of pizza, yeah, give this one a try. I think you might find it interesting, at least. But I've eaten most of it, so I guess this is strangely satisfying. But I am going to be honest, I am pretty curious to try all the other new generation pizzas from Domino's, mainly for curiosity, all right? But I'll put all those pizzas up on my community post on this channel, and you guys can vote for the next pizza that you want me to try out. I'll probably try it out next week or something. So go ahead and vote. and let me know what you guys want me to try next time. So I'll see you guys in the next pizza review. Take care. Goodbye.